Did you know hackers follow a step-by-step playbook every single time they attack? It's called cyber kill chain. 7 steps. From spying on you to owning your systems. Step 1. Reconnaissance. They gather intel on you. Step 2. Weaponization. They build the weapon, then delivery. Exploitation. Installation. Command and control. And finally, they take what they came for. Researchers just built an AI that learns, displays, and predicts what the hacker does next before they do it. It's outsmarting cyber criminals. What is cyber kill chain? Every attacker follows the exact 7 steps. Step 1. Reconnaissance. The hacker Googles you, your LinkedIn, any email, open ports on your server. Step 2. Weaponization. They build a trap, a malicious file, a fake login page. Step 3. Delivery. They send it, usually via email. One click is all it takes. Step 4. Exploitation. The trap springs. Your system has a crack and they walk right in. Step 5. Installation. They plant a backdoor, a secret door that lets them return anytime. Step 6. Command and control. They phone home. Now they control your machine remotely. Step 7. Actions on objectives. They take what they want. Money, data, secrets. Now imagine if AI could predict each step before it happens. That's nice. MITRE ATT&CK, the Hacker's Bible. That's a public database of every known hacking trick in existence. It's called MITRE ATT&CK. You think of it like a Wikipedia, but for how cybercriminals operate. It documents hundreds of real techniques used by real hackers. Things like phishing email, keylogging, remote file execution. Every technique is catalogued with description, examples, and who uses it. Security teams use this to understand what attacker might try next, but reading through hundreds of techniques manually, impossible at scale. So we trained AI on this data set. And here's what happened. Teaching AI to think like a hacker. To stop a hacker, you have to think like one. So we taught AI to do exactly that. We took entire MITRE ATT&CK data set, every hacking technique ever recorded, and sorted them into the 7 kill chain phases. And we trained not one, but 4 different AI models on this data. LightGBM is fast, efficient, and great at patterns. Transformer reads context like a human would. BERT, Google's famous language AI, fine-tuned for cybersecurity. And GNN, a graph neural network that maps relationships between attacks. Each one learned a different phase of the attack, like specialists on a team. But which AI did the best? The answer might surprise you. The super team, Ensemble AI. What if one AI isn't enough? What if you need a whole team? That's right. We didn't just use one AI model. We used 4 and combined them using something called a weighted soft coding ensemble. Here's the idea. Each model gives a prediction and how confident it is. The models with the best track record gets to say more. The final answer is a weighted vote, like a panel of expert judges. Result: Ensemble beat every single individual model across all 7 phases, with F1 scores up to 99.83%. For context, 99.83% accuracy means the AI almost never gets it wrong. It's basically an AI Avengers for cybersecurity. How AI reads hacker intent using language. How does an AI actually understand what a hacker is trying to do? Hacking techniques are described in plain English in databases like MITRE. Things like the adversary sends a spear phishing email with a malicious attachment to gain an initial access. AI models like BERT, originally built by Google to understand human language, were fine-tuned to read these and classify which phase of an attack they belong to. It's like teaching a very smart reader to recognize, oh, this sounds like a delivery phase behavior, based on the meanings, not just keywords. This is called natural language processing, or NLP. And in cybersecurity, it's a game changer. Next up, the AI that thinks in graphs. Graph neural networks, mapping the attack web. Hackers don't work in straight lines. Their attacks are a web, so the AI has to think in webs too. A graph neural network, or GNN, treats data as a network of connected dots. In this research, every hacking technique is a dot. Similar techniques are connected to each other. GNN doesn't just look one technique in isolation. It looks at what's nearby, what techniques are related, what usually comes before or after. Think of it like if someone buys a lockpick and a ski mask and rents a van, even separately, Graph AI connects dots and raises an alarm. For cybersecurity, GNN achieves up to 99.28% accuracy, the single best individual model in the study. But the ensemble still beats it. Here's why that matters. Attack path forecasting. Predicting the next move. What if you could predict a hacker's next move, like a chess grandmaster? After the AI identifies what technique an attacker is using, it builds a map. It uses something called cosine similarity, a way to measure how related two techniques are, and draws arrows between them. So if an attacker is in reconnaissance phase, using a specific intel gathering technique, the AI can say, based on this pattern, they are likely to move into weaponization using these methods. It's not just detecting threats, it's forecasting them, like weather prediction, but for cyber attacks. Security teams can then strengthen defenses in the exact area of where the attack is heading. This is proactive defense, and it's the future of cybersecurity. The numbers. How good is this AI really? Okay, enough said. Let's talk numbers. How good is this AI actually? The ensemble model was tested on all 7 phases. Here's what it scored. Reconnaissance, 97.5%. Weaponization, 98.86%. Delivery, 99.31%. Exploitation, 97.87%. Installation, 98.83%. Command and control, 97.4%. Actions on objectives, 98.80%. For comparison, the standalone BERT model, around 79 to 87%. The transformer alone, sometimes as low as 55%. The combination is what makes it exceptional. So what does this mean for you? Why this changes everything? Cybercrime costs the world $6 trillion every year. This research is one step towards flipping that number. Here's what this paper actually means in simple terms. Right now, most cybersecurity is reactive. You get hacked, then you respond. This AI framework is proactive. It sees an attack starting in phase 1, reconnaissance, and then predicts the entire path the hacker intends to take through all 7 phases. Security teams can block before it even reaches your data. The models like GBM, Transformer, and GNN, working together as an ensemble, achieve near perfect accuracy across every phase of the cyber breach. This isn't science fiction. The paper was published in August 2025. Code is built. The future of cybersecurity is AI that thinks ahead. That's a wrap on our 10-part series. If your brain just leveled up, share this with someone who needs it. Look for more tech, simply explain. I'm Isha Raj.